already discussed in signals and system, delay and advance. Then see, first is circular delay. Circular delay. Before discussing this circular delay, first we have to discuss how we are going to represent given sequence circularly. So let us take one input sequence x of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 is acts as a zero sample. Upward arrow mark indicates that this is zero sample. So here I assumed one discrete time sequence, input sequence x of n equal to, it has four samples, 1, 2, 3, 4, where one is the zero sample. So how we are going to represent the given sequence in this circle? Remember, in the circle we are going to represent the given sequence circularly. So this is the starting point, reference point, starting position, starting position. Okay. Now in the starting position, we taken the first sample of the given sequence, that is x of 0 equal to 1. Okay. As I told, always in a circle, we are going to represent the given sequence in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So, anti-clockwise direction means this is the starting point. In the starting point, first sample of the given sequence, that is x of 0 equal to 1. Next point, in the anti-clockwise direction, second sample of the sequence, that is x of 1 equal to 2. Next, here, third sample, x of 2 equal to 3, last sample x of 3 equal to 4. So anti-clockwise direction we represented. Remember, while representing in the circle for a given sequence, we have to represent in the anti-clockwise direction. Also, we have to write in the anti-clockwise direction. So this is about the representation of the sequence on the circle. So let us see the circular delay. If you are going to delay the given sequence by, generally we are going to represent delay in mathematically as x of n minus n naught. This is the representation of delay. It may be circular shift. General representation of circular shift is x of n minus n naught. It is based on the value of n naught. If n naught is negative, sorry, n naught is positive, it is delay. If n naught is positive, it is advanced. Let's see the statement of the circular delay. How we are going to perform the circular delay. To delay sequence x of n, to delay sequence x of n circularly by k samples means shift shift the every sample circularly in anti-clockwise direction by k samples. So it means what I told, circular delay means to delay sequence x of n by generally by k samples, you have to shift every sample of the given sequence circularly in anti-clockwise direction by k samples. In general, to generate a delay of x of n minus n naught, it is periodic in nature. Because of that reason, we represent like this: x of n minus n naught. In order to generate this one, move the last n samples of x of n to the beginning. Remember, delay means last sample, moving the last sample to first, last to first. Move the last n number of samples, n naught. This is n naught. Move the n naught samples of x of n to the beginning. So as per the statement, I am going to perform x of n minus 1. X of n minus 1 means sequence x of n is delayed by one sample. Sequence x of n is delayed by one sample. In place of n naught, compare. In place of n naught, 1 is there. In place of n naught, 1 is there. So sequence x of n is delayed by 1 samples. As per the statement of the circular delay, move the what? In place of k what? N 1. Move the delay the sequence x of n circular by one sample means shift every sample circularly in anti-clockwise direction. In place of k what? 1 is there. So shift every sample circularly in anti-clockwise direction by one sample. So this is moved to where one sample you have to shift in anti-clockwise direction. This sample is shifted to here. So it becomes what? This is the starting position as it is. Though x of 0 is shifted in anti-clockwise direction by one sample. So this is shifted to where? Here. This is x of 0. Next, this is shifted to where? Here. This is x of 1. This is shifted to where? Here. X of 2. This is shifted to where? Here. This is x of 3. And write the corresponding value. X of 0 is what? 1. X of 1 is what? 2. X of 2 is what? 3. X of 3 is what? 4. So nothing but compare these two things. This is x of n. This is x of n minus 1. Now compare these two things. Compare x of n and x of n minus 1. Here, this is the starting position. In place of starting position, what? This starting position is moved to where? One position to here, up by one sample. Okay. This is about what? Circular delay. So what we are getting while reading, we have to always told, while reading, we have to take what? X of n. What is the result? We have to write the answer, correct? Always, this is the starting position. This is the starting position. So always we have to read in anti-clockwise direction from the starting position. What is the starting position? X of 3. So x of 3 equal to what? 4. Next 1. Next 2. Next 3. So x of n minus 1 equal to what? X of n minus 1 equal to, we got 4, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. X of 1 is what? X of n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. After delaying, what we got? 4, 1, 2, 3. See, one more. In another way, we can say that move the last n naught samples. N naught equal to what? N naught equal to 1 we got here. So move the last one sample of x of n to the beginning. So compare here. Move the last one sample. This is to the beginning. Beginning means it becomes 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. Generally, next, if I take x of n minus 2, what happens? Two samples. And if n not equal to what? N not equal to 2 is there. Two samples. Move the last two samples to the beginning. So what happens? First, I will move the first sample. 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is x1 of n minus 1. Two samples means two samples we have to move. So what happens? First, already x of n minus 1 is there. One more sample we have to move. One more sample you have to move. Then it becomes 3. So last sample is moved to 3, 4, 1, 2. This is x of n minus 2. X of n minus 3, that is 2, 3, 4, 1. X of n minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same sequence we are getting. X of n is equal to x of n minus 4 because it holds periodicity property. Because of that reason, we written like this: x of n minus n not equal to 4. If n equal to 4, length of the sequence also 4. The given sequence also contains 4 samples. If the length of the shifting is 4, then once again we are getting same result. This is about circular delay. Okay, next we will take circular advance. So in that case, we discussed about delay. Here we are taking advance. To advance a sequence x of n circularly by k samples means shift every sample circularly in clockwise direction. Remember, there we shifted in anti-clockwise direction for delay. For advance, clockwise direction by k samples means to generate x of n plus n naught, move the first n naught samples first n naught samples of x of n to the n. Delay means, remember, delay means clockwise. Key point I am going to write. Delay means anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise, and move what? Last to first. Last to first. Advance means vice versa, opposite. That is, we have to move, shift clockwise direction and move the samples what? Opposite. First to last. First to last. This is anti-clockwise, last to first. It is clockwise, opposite, first to last. See, I will take the same example. X of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First, I will represent in a in the circle. So this is the starting position. Starting position. Okay. If it is the starting position, then it is what? X of 0, 1. This is x of 1, 2. This is x of 2, 3. This is x of 3, 4. Okay. First, I have taken the same example. Now, I am going to advance this sequence x of n by one sample. Means, if you are representing in this circularly, what we have to do? We have to shift what? In clockwise direction one time. So this is shifted in the clockwise direction by one time. So it becomes x of 0. And this is shifted to here. This becomes x of 3. And this is shifted to here. This becomes x of 2. This is shifted to here. X of 1. But while reading, we have to always read anti-clockwise direction. First, I will write the respective samples. X of 0 is how much? 1. X of 1 is 2. X of 2 is 3. X of 3 is 4. So while reading, how to read? In the anti-clockwise direction. But this is the starting reference point, correct? So x of n plus 1 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1. Now compare. This is the given sequence. This is the advanced sequence, advanced by one samples. As I told, in advance, first to last. How many samples we have to move from first to last? One time advance is there. Only one sample we have to move the first sample is moved to the last. So this is shifted what? Clockwise direction. This is shifted to here like this. So it becomes 2, 3, 4, 1. If advanced by twice, then this is shifted to here. So 3, 4, 1, 2. If thrice, then this is shifted to here. 4, 1, 2, 3. Next, by 4 time, once again we are getting same sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is clockwise direction, first to last. Okay, this is about circular advance. So one more interesting are in so here one more topic with respect to circular, that is circular folding. It is very important topic. Solving the numericals, it makes very helpful. You know the circular folding. So as per the circular folding concept, a circular folded sequence is represented as x of minus n of period n from x of n. It is obtained by how to find circular folded version of the given sequence. Folding means in a signals and system already we discussed that the samples which are present at the left side will go to the right side, mirror image. The samples which are present at the right side will go to the left side. It is the mirror image, reflection, we can say reflection. But this operation we are performing circularly. In this case, we are performing circularly. Then how to find The circular folded version of the given discrete time sequence is very simplest method is plotting x of n in clockwise direction along the circle. That's it. So remember x of n, I will assume the mathematical representation of this circular folding is x of minus n of period n equal to x of n minus capital N minus small n. Okay, this is the mathematical representation of circular folding. So as for the statement, same example I will take 1, 2, 3. It is the given sequence. If I want to calculate circular folded version of this one, that is x of minus n, we have to calculate. It contains how many samples? 4 samples. Hence, we are going to write this as a 4. If I am going to calculate x of minus n of 4, what is this? Simple thing is plot x of n, this one x of n in in clockwise direction along the circle. So as per the statement, so this is the starting point. Plot x of n. This x of n we have to plot in clockwise direction in the circle. X of 0 clockwise direction means like this. It will go like this. Next x of 1, then x of 2, then x of 3. Okay. X of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 2, x of 2 is 3, x of 3 is 4. So we plotted the samples of the given sequence clockwise direction in a circle. But while reading, we have to read anti-clockwise direction. That is x of minus n of 4 equal to. So starting position is, this is starting point, correct? Starting point. So from the starting point, read in the anti-clockwise direction. That is 1, next 4, next 3, next 2. This is circular folded version of the given sequence. Okay.